Hello, Aries. Welcome to your reading. So this is for your August 10 to 12. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang readings sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? So kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. I want you to know that this is a general reading, no? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Aries. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang feeling mo, alam mo, hindi lang ako nagsasalita, pero alam kong nagsisinungaling ka. No? Alam mo, hindi ko lang sa'yo sinasabi, pero deep inside, natatawa ko kasi meron kang mga bagay na sinasabi na parang it didn't match up, it didn't connect, no? Parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, parang hinahayaan mo yung isang tao na um, kala niya tinatanga ka niya, kala niya binobobo ka niya, pero deep inside, alam mo na, parang feeling mo, alam mo yung totoo. Either meron kang narinig, hindi ko kukunin ha, kasi sobrang dami. Babalik natin siya. So parang sinasabi mo dito na kilalang kilala kita or meron akong narinig, no, meron na akong evidence or somewhat, no, itong nagsabi naman sa akin is mapagkakatiwala ang source, no, parang pakiwari ko, at naniniwala ako doon sa tao, no, or alam mo talaga din, kilalang kilala mo yung sarili mo kung wala naman nagsabi, no, alam mong hindi talaga, no, hindi talaga pwede kahit gaano mo, no, gaano mo pagkasyahin sa isip mo, hindi siya magma-match, hindi siya pwede, no? Alam mong merong mali. You're actually smelling something fishy. Although, hindi ka nagsasabi. Ang nakikita ko dito with the Knight of Pentacles, Magician, Two of Swords, the Hangman, Four of Pentacles, deep inside, Aries, parang disconnected ka na sa iyong connection. It felt like very stagnant, no? Nothing is moving, you're not actually moving at all. Ang nakikita ko dito, parang iniisip mo na lang or inaantay mo na lang na humiwalay yung person sa'yo. Parang inaantay mo na lang na sabihin nating alubayan ka, no, nung tao. With the Two of Swords in here, although ito na yung parang deep inside, gusto mo na ring somewhat magkaroon ng freedom, gusto mo na ring kumawala, hindi mo ito ginagawa, ayaw mo sa'yo manggaling. Gusto mo ito ay manggagaling doon sa tao, no? With the Three of Wands, the Tower, clarify niya yung Two of Swords. Four of Pentacles was also clarified by the Five of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. Parang sa'yo, yung dati kasi nag-aantay ka pa, no? Binigyan mo ng ample time, no, for this person to actually tell the truth, for this person to bounce back, pero wala talagang nangyari. What I am seeing in here is that you felt a bit offended. You felt that this is a losing end. You felt that this connection somewhat, no? Parang sinasabi mo na um, hindi hindi yata ito yung relationship for me, no? Hindi ito yung tao na pwede kong sabihin na I'll be growing up with, no, or spending the rest of my life with the Eight of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Six of Swords. You're actually working on bouncing back, you yourself. So parang nakikita ko dito, while you are in a connection, you're also already moving on. I think that this is also very familiar with Aries, no? Bago pa man nakapag-move on or bago pa mapunta sa breakup, no? Alam mong naka-move on ka na. You're actually healing, no? While you are yung on the process, no? Nasa process ka ng healing, pero wala pa namang separation. I feel like there is a lot of sabihin natin dito with the Five of Cups regrets, no? Parang sinabi mo, ang dami kong sinayang na oras, ang daming kong sinayang na panahon. Um, Meron din namang mga soft spots si Aries. There are times also, while you are still in the connection, ha, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, meron kang parang sinasabi mo dito na na-stress ako, no? Dumating ako sa sleepless nights. Although, knowing Aries, hindi niya ipapamuka na sobrang nahihirapan, sobrang stress ako. It looks calm, no, in the surface, pero deep inside, nandun na siya sa process of nagkaroon pa nga siguro ng mental health issues, no, anxiety. Pero, ang maganda doon, naka-bounce back agad. Kumbaga, dinaanan lang talaga ni Aries itong situation ng malungkot ako. Dinaanan lang ni Aries yung part na um, nanghihina ako, no? With the Five of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Queen of Wands, I think that there are also things here that you are actually brutally honest when it comes to expressing your emotion. Siguro minsan it's too direct, or sometimes dinadaan mo sa, baka ang akala niya joke, no? With the Empress and the Ace of Cups, so what I am seeing here is chances are this is a small percentage. No, this is general reading naman. Even though that you are pregnant, as of the moment, you would love to move forward even without a partner. For those of you who's not pregnant naman, I am seeing in here is this is also a sign of a rebirth wherein you are gonna reinvent yourself. Parang sabi mo dito, enough is enough. No, iiwan ko na itong Aries kasama ng relationship na ito. Kumbaga, I'm going to shed my skin and there will be a new person who's going to be a rebirth of me. No, parang reinventing, no, yourself. So let's check here the emotion. This could be your person's emotion or it could be your emotion too, no? So I wish you were next to me, and why do you have to be apart? So I think that this is what's happening to the person of those Arieses na already in separation or separated themselves from the dynamic. No, I think namimiss ka nung tao, namimiss niya yung dating kayo. Pero anong gagawin natin kung talagang sinungaling, 'di ba? And you're also doubting, no, kahit anong sabihin nitong taong ito, no, parang sa'yo, um, hindi ko na siya bibilin, no? I actually feel like maglolokohan lang kami and I am moving forward. No, so let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or placement in their chart. I am seeing Pisces, Leo, Taurus, uh, Scorpio, Sagittarius. I am seeing Virgo, Capricorn. Scorpio is also in here. Did I just mention Cancer? All right. Uh, yeah, Capricorn is here. Nasabi ko na. Leo is also here. Sagittarius is also here. Yep, this is your reading. Aries, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, dito naman po sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So Aries, kung alam nyo yung sarili nyo, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, no, sa description box po nandun po yung ating link ng ating website. So, i-browse nyo lang po sa pinakababa, nandun po yung question form. Ibaba nyo pa, nandun po yung QR codes, yung information, how much per question, no, the name, the number. For your reference, I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. That's already a discounted price. If you also want to book a private reading or personal reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So, This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Aries.